Hi, today we're going to look at how to install code bins into your Shopify store. Code bin is a combination of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and it can be duplicated endlessly. So start by logging on your Shopify store, then click on Stackend. In this case, I assume you installed it and that you have it activated. Then click on go to Stackend.com. That will log you on into your Stackend environment. And on the left side here, you will see a bunch of modules, and one of them will be code bins. So if you click on code bins, I already created one. You can click create a new one and give it any name and then start editing your HTML and CSS and JavaScript. But here I prepared one. So I added some basic HTML. I injected an image. You can add images by simply clicking on the button and click upload, or select an existing one and it will convert it into correct HTML, so you don't have to keep up with that. And then you have, so this is good enough. Then what you want to do in order to get this to work in your Shopify environment is you need to find out its ID. And this you can use in multiple places. So you can use it as the whole div, and you can paste it into maybe a Shopify blog or something like that, or a WordPress blog. In this case, we have it as an app, so we only need the actual number here, number 12. So if we go back to Shopify and click on online store, and we're going to customize the store front end, and we want to have it as an app or as a header in the top here. So I already have an app block. If you don't, go down and create a section. And then I choose code bin, enter the number 12, and then I click save. And then the image my code bin appears. What is neat about this is that you can have them in multiple places. So if I go over to the blog and I want to have the same block over here, and I click add code bin and then select number 12, click save, and it appears again. And if I refresh on the first page, you can see that it's there. And you can add anything you can do in HTML and CSS and JavaScript, which for some people is quite a lot. What you also can do is that once you have these placed, if you go back and change it, so maybe you want to have the color black. You click save, and we go to the front end, and you can see that it changed, and obviously it changed in both places.